Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss very small but very useful features of Snowflake. Are you wondering how much Snowflake will cost for your workloads? Today I will talk you through the Snowflake Price Calculator, a simple yet powerful tool to estimate your monthly or annual cost based on your usage. Predict your spend, compare additions, plan for scaling. Whether you are a data engineer, architect, or finance planner, understanding Snowflake pricing is crucial. This calculator helps you to avoid surprises and plan for growth. Before you go, I have small request. Please watch this video till end. And if you found it helpful, like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate the effort that went into creating it. Drop your thoughts in the comment below. Let me know if you would like to see more such videos on Snowflake tips, and AI powered automation. Your feedback helps me to create contents that matters to you. Let's first go to the website. I will drop the link in the description. So go to here, you can see Snowflake pricing calculator. First, choose your provider and your addition. So providers, either it's Snowflake account was created on AWS, Azure, GCP. You can choose your region like US is commercial, US is two, it's a government, or you can choose. I will just keep US West. Usually, most of the organizations go with enterprise, but you can choose your own Snowflake edition. And the selection will impact directly your cost calculation on right hand side. Now configure the compute. So today for calculation purpose, I'm using Snow Standard and Gen 2 warehouse. So, and the warehouse size I'm going to use is small. So 2.7 credit per hour for AWS on enterprise. Okay. Now I'm estimating my warehouse will be up for 8 hours per day and 5 days a week. I'm assuming there is no weekend load. If it's a weekend load, just change it to 7. Now I am going to use one more warehouse for loading purpose. So that I am going to use for Gen 1 and the size is extra small. And I am expecting my extraction is near real time. So it will make my warehouse up 24 hours and 5 days a week. Now in my load, I'm also using AI features, which is like AI function input tokens. It will use AI complete function model. I'm going to use Cloud 3.5 Sonnet or whatever you are going to use internally. You can choose from here. You can estimate the tokens per million. So I'm just assuming 2 million tokens. I'm also going to use one more output token as well and AI complete, and for which I'm using 1 million token. Now the overall my storage is say 20 TB, or I can say make it 10 TB. So you can see here it's reflect 230, but if it's 20, it make it double. Okay. Now I'm also going to transfer my data to a different cloud provider. So to different cloud provider or internet. Okay. And I'm going to pass 1 TB data per month. So you can see there's $90 it cost me. Okay. I'm also have a plan to transfer to API, and 1 TB will be the data. So you can see now it's changed to the value. Okay. So this is the, if it's the same cloud, it even if it's a 1 TB, it won't cost me. Okay. But different region, definitely it cost me a lot. If you go to same region, it won't cost me. If you go to a different region, it will cost me. Now, if you see this calculation is I'm expecting $3,575.50 per month. I want to see yearly basis. I just need to change this to year and it give me a cost of year basis. Again, you can see 3575. Now, instead of enterprise, I'm not using much features. So I just move it to its standard and you can see the price is significantly reduced, okay? Approximately $1,000 per month. But yeah, that's depends which edition you are going to use. If I want to use Azure, you can see it's just minor changes, but yeah, that is a changes, okay? So that's a very small feature, but very useful uh, Snowflake price calculator. It will help you estimate your expense. Thank you for watching. The link is mentioned in the description.